Hi everybody, my name is Holly Draper and I am the creator of Shop Draped. I am a digital content creator and head wrap artist. And today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create a flower style head wrap. If you guys follow me on Instagram, maybe even follow me on my personal account, you probably have seen me wear this style a multitude of times in multiple different ways. There's so many different ways to wear this flower style, and I'm going to be showing you guys just a few different looks. Alright, without further ado, let's get into it. So, I am using the I Veggie head wrap for this one. As you guys can see, it's very, very glittery and it is perfect for a nighttime look. And it's called I Veggie because it is a twin print. One side is dull and the other side is very glittery. Alright, so for this head wrap tutorial, we are going to do a full head wrap. So we're going to take our head wrap, put it around our head, center your head in the middle of the head wrap. Make sure that both sides are even, come together, tie once, pull it taut but not too tight, because if you pull it too tight you're going to have a headache. And kind of adjust your hair, make sure that it is the way that you want it to look, girl. Alright, so after that we are going to make a bow, just like you're tying your shoes. We're going to take one side like so and the other, pull through. There you go. That's your bow. Now, this is going to be the flowering part of this head wrap tutorial. Very, very simple, you guys. You have a bow head wrap. All you have to do is fluff it out. And I want to make sure that mine is on the more glittery side, not the dull side. See, I'm pulling through the dull side. So you want it to go this way and kind of pull out. Pull out, pull out. Same thing for this side. We want to fluff out that bow until it kind of has like a flower full look. You know, like a rose. You know how a full rose looks? That's what we're kind of going for here. So let me do what I do. We want both sides of each bow to kind of meet. You could even put one inside of the other. That's what I'm going to do for this look. I'm going to pull this up. And that is the end of this style, you guys. Very simple. With the flower, the secret is fluffing and nothing more. Nothing more, nothing less. It's all about fluffing. And I'm going to give you guys a 360. Alright, we're going to get into the next style. The next style is going to be a flower headband. So let's get into it. Alright, you guys, I am back and I have another I Veggie head wrap. This time it is in orange. You have that beautiful, gorgeous sparkle. And it's plain on this side. So I think for this tutorial, I'm actually going to flip the head wrap over to the plain side. And this could be worn for an everyday, cute, stylish look. I'm going to go around my head like this. Like the tutorial before, we're going to tie once. Unlike the tutorial before, we're going to tie twice. Right? Next, after that, we are going to pull through with a bow. Just like last time, it's like tying your shoes. Pull through. And now you have your bow. And just like I said in the previous tutorial, fluff it on out, fluff it on out. Now with this one, you're not going to be working with as much fabric, so might feel a little tight, but fluff out what you got. Fluff it on out on one side, fluffing it on out to the other. Alright, flamingos, this is my finished look. Very cute, very simple. And now your IG ready, honey. Alright, we're going to do a third tutorial, and this is showing you how to get that flower look, but wearing it in the back. Alright, I'm back. Took my hair out, and now I have a, you guessed it, veggie head wrap. This one is in green, and like all the other ones, it's double-sided and gorgeous. Alright, so to get into this look, we're going to center our head wrap on our head like so. I'm going to turn around and show you. We're going to take both sides and tie. You're only going to tie once. Sometimes this can get tricky. You got to make sure that both sides are even in order for this look to come out right. Alright. Next, we are going to tie a bow. Just like we did with the previous tutorials. And pull through. And like I did with the first head wrap tutorial and the second, we are going to fluff. I don't think that's the right way. And I want this to be glittery. Is it glittery? Where is my mirror? I can't really tell. Yes, that is the glittery side. Okay. So we're going to fluff this on out. When I come back, I'll show you the finished look. Alright, flamingos, this is the finished look. And what I did ultimately at the end is I just kind of pulled it to the side like so. Let me give you a 360. Yeah. I actually really dig this head wrap, and I'm probably going to go somewhere right now. I'm probably going to head to the store and run some errands or something. I really love this look. I need to wear my head like this more often. Yes! I hope you guys love this tutorial. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you can find more head wrap tutorials like this. I post head wrap tutorials every Wednesday. Alright, that's it for today, guys. Love you guys. See ya. Bye.